It's quotey day today. Let's get quotey. That's right, I'm creating a new word just for this video. So if you guys saw my last Thursday video, you know that I'm going to do these videos less visual or more visual depending on how you see it, but more podcasty. So let's go ahead and get right into it. My first quote for you guys is motion creates momentum. That means the more you're doing, the more you're going to be pushing yourself forward. As long as you are constantly in that forward motion, you are going to receive forward motion. Remember, whatever you put in, you are going to get out. The 80-20 rule is the most famous rule here. That means that you put in 100% work, 80% of it is useless, 20% of it is worth something. So figure out what your 20% is and make sure that that is where you are putting the most motion into. Quote number 2. TGIAD. Thank God it's any day. Why thank God it's Friday? That doesn't make any sense to me. You shouldn't be thanking God it's just one day. You should be thanking God that you're alive any day, and every single day you have the opportunity to push yourself forward, to push your business to the next level, and to create more opportunities for the people around you and to help the people around you be more successful and create your own success at the same time. Number 3, ground yourself in your ethics. That's right. You want to have ethics in a sense that is strong and will help people also follow along with you. Your business should be grounded in ethics because people can get behind ethics. You can get behind ethics. Don't ever let people tell you that other people are just defaulted to be bad people, because this isn't true. Naturally, we want to help people. Naturally, helping people makes us feel good. So having those ethics in place that you're grounded in will help you feel good while you're doing business and help you not feel like you're just a sleazy businessman, or however you would feel in that sense. Number 4, plan higher, acquire bigger. The higher you plan, the more you plan to achieve, the more you're going to achieve. The people that plan the highest success are the people that are going to achieve the highest success, because they will make sure that they do the steps that they need to do to get what they need to get. And they'll make sure that they put the time into research and the time in to take the steps, because they know if they want to be a billionaire, it's going to take a lot of steps. You're not going to get there in one day. So they're ready to spend that time. But if you're just planning to be making $100,000 a year, then you won't be planning to take the steps it takes to be a billionaire or a billionaire. You'll be planning to take the steps it needs to take to make $100,000 a year. And once you hit that number, it's going to take you A, longer to hit that number, and B, you won't be able to get out of it as easily because your goal was too small. So plan high, reach for the stars. 5, success should be in your blood. We're all wired to want success. All of us, everybody wants to be successful. It should be in your blood. Acquiring your goals should naturally feel good. If you, for whatever reason, are sedated to this feeling, you need to get yourself back on track and have this feeling feel good to you. You need to make sure that every time you do something, every time you make a sale, every time you make a new client, friend, whatever it is, every single time, it should feel good. It should get you pumped. You should get excited, because this is what's going to get you up in the morning and get you ready to spend the next day on business. Quote number 6, focus. Easy, focus. Have your goals. Know what you need to do to acquire those goals. And 6, focus. Spend the time it needs to take every single day doing your goals. Not any more time. And the way you do this is by focusing, by just sitting there and doing what you're trying to do. Remember, if the mind tries to do multiple things at once, you're going to lose the 100% perfection that you would get from doing that one singular thing. So what this means is that you shouldn't multitask if you don't have to multitask. You should focus on one task, because it'll take you less time to complete that task if that's all you're doing. The last quote, 7, let your thoughts drip into your actions. This means don't just think about doing something, do it too. This also means rewire your brain for success. This means create those subconscious and those conscious thoughts that are going to push you into success. This means that you need to be thinking about how you're going to be successful, and you need to not just be thinking about it, but actually be doing it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this style where I'm not on the screen. I like the idea of this style so you can have this video going on in the background while you're doing something else, although you probably should just really be watching it. I like this idea for the people out there that are busy. Leave me a comment, let me know, like the video, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.